Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are safe at home. Okay, let's start the chapter 4, Mathematical Induction. The question is like this, 1 upon 1 into 2, 1 upon 2 into 3, 1 upon 3 into 4, dash 1 upon n into n plus 1 equal to n upon n plus 1. You have to prove by mathematical induction. What is the procedure of mathematical induction? First of all, we will prove for n equal to 1, then we will prove for n equal to k, and the last n equal to k plus 1. First of all, we will prove for n equal to 1. First of all, we will write the statement like this: p n 1 upon 1 2, 1 upon 2 3, 1 upon 3 4 plus dash 1 upon n plus 1 equal to n upon n plus 1. For n equal to 1, P1, n equal to 1 means first term, 1 upon 1 into 2 means 1 upon 2. And the right hand side, 1 in place of n equal to 1, 1 plus 1, that is 1 upon 2. Therefore, P1 is true for n equal to 1. Now we will prove n equal to k. Pk such that 1 upon 1 2 plus 1 upon 2 3 plus 1 upon 3 4 dash 1 upon k plus 1, that will be k upon k plus 1. Now this is the sum of kth term. Now we will find the next k. Next k means k plus 1 for n equal to k. First of all, we will write p. K is true for n equal to k. The next will be n equal to k plus 1. Then p k plus 1 such that will be 1 upon 1 2 plus 1 upon 2 3 plus 1 upon 3 4 plus dash 1 upon k plus 1. And the next term we will write here 1 upon, in place of k we will put k plus 1. Therefore, in place of k plus 1, here k plus 1, in place of k plus 1, and plus 1 plus 1. Now I am going to rub the upper portion because there is no need to leave it. This is extra term of k plus 1th term. Up to kth term, the sum is up to kth term. The sum is this: k upon k plus 1. And this is extra term. Therefore, this extra term will be added in the right hand side also. Then I will add it again. 1 upon k plus 1 and k plus 2. This is the sum of kth term here, and this is added extra term. This will be added in right hand side. This extra term will be added in the right hand side. Therefore, I have added it. Now there is no need to write it and rub it. K plus 1 is LCM, then K plus 2 and this one, K square plus 2K plus 1 upon K plus 1, and this is K plus 2. It is the square form of K plus 1. I will write it as K plus 1 whole square upon K plus 1 and K plus 2. K plus 1 is cancelled out. K plus 1 upon K plus 2. We can write it as K plus 1 upon K plus 1 plus 1. If I replace K plus 1 as n, then the solution will be n upon n plus 1. Therefore, this is true for P K plus 1 is true for n equal to K plus 1. Proved it. Okay, understood?